Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to turn on quiet mode in Instagram. Quiet mode is a great feature to help you your time on the app and reduce distraction. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram app on your mobile. Step 2. Access your profile. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Step 3. Go to Settings and Privacy. On your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on them to access the menu. See first option Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Step 4. Find and select Notification. In the Settings and Privacy menu, you'll see a list of options. Find and tap on Notification. Step 5. Select Notification. Under the Notification settings, you'll find Quiet Mode. Tap on it to access Quiet Mode settings. Step 6. Tap on Quiet Mode. Enable Quiet Mode. Step 7. Choose Quiet Mode time. Here, you can set the time for Quiet Mode. This is when you want Instagram to remind you to take a break. You can choose specific time intervals based on your preference. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on Quiet Mode in Instagram. This feature can be a helpful tool to manage your screen time and maintain a healthy balance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.